Yeah, good morning everyone. Today we are discussing two problems from NCRT. These are two examples of quadratic equation class 10 mathematics. Uh, Namya, can you please read example number one?
Yes, sir. John and Giovanni together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with.
Yeah, thank you, Beta. I'll explain you this question. There are two students, John and Jivanti. They have a total of 45 marbles with them, and they have lost 5 marbles each. And the product of the number of marbles which they have now is 124. Uh, I'll show you the solution of this so that you can understand. This is the old register and it's in student handwriting. That's why a lot of cutting is there. But see, let the number of marbles with John be X and Jivanti be Y. According to the question, what was the number of marbles initially they have, both of them? It was 45. So the first
Yeah.
equation is x plus y is equal to 45. But we need to form quadratic equation, so it should be there in one variable. We'll try to eliminate y now. Okay. So if you will take x on the right hand side, so y would be 45 minus x. This is equation number 2. And I'll show you the statement once again for the second equation. It was both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they have now is 124. Okay, so according to question, both John and Jivanti, they lost 5 marbles. So John lost 5 means x minus 5. What is the number of
Yes,
marbles
sir.
with John now? X minus 5, and Jivanti has y minus 5. And the product of the number of marbles which they had now is 124. So it's x minus 5 into y minus 5 is equal to 124. Give it as equation number 3. What do you do, beta? Take this value of y as 45 minus x from equation number 2 and put in equation number 3. y के प्लेस पे 45 माइनस एक्स जो आया था वो इक्वेशन नंबर 3 में पुट कीजिए y की जगह पर. जैसे मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, देखिए y की जगह आ गया 45 माइनस एक्स. Now 45 minus 5 is 40 minus x. Now what you got to do? You have to multiply this x minus 5 with 40 minus x. So the product is 124. अब x की करो 40 minus x से, फिर minus 5 की करो 40 minus x से. X into 40 is 40x, x into minus x is minus x square, minus 5 into 40 is minus 200, and minus 5 into minus x is plus 5x equal to 124. Now solve it, beta. It would be minus x square plus 45x minus 324. But as I have already told you, I need the coefficient of x square as positive. That's why I have multiplied by minus 1 on both the sides. Okay. So the final equation is x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. Can you guess A, B and C here? Now, A
Yes, sir.
is,
A is 1,
yeah,
B
what
is
about?
negative 45, and C
Very
is
good.
324.
Very good. A is 1, B is negative 45 and C is 324. Now you multiply A with C. 1 into 324 is 324 and take B as minus 45. So my dear, now you need two numbers whose multiplication will give you 324 and whose addition will give you 45. And if you are not comfortable with MTS, you can try quadratic formula. You can find out capital D, whose formula is B square minus 4AC. And then you can find alpha and beta, which is minus B plus root D by 2 and minus B minus root D by 2A. पर यहाँ पर मैंने गैस कर लिया, देखो बच्चे ने 324 के देख रहे हो ऐसे प्राइम फैक्टर बनाए हैं. 324
Yes,
can be
sir.
written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Check out their different combinations. 36 और 9 आ रहे हैं. Okay, minus 36 and minus 9. So in place of minus 45x, write minus 36x minus 9x. Take x common from first two, would be left with x bracket x minus 36. Take minus 9 common from these two. So this would be x minus 36. So the final two factors are x minus 36 and x minus 9. So we have either x minus 36 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. So we have two values beta, 36 and 9. And you know y was 45 minus x. So if x is 36, y is 9. And if x is 9, y is 36. Okay? So two
Okay,
possible
sir.
pair of answers are there. One is 36 comma 9 and another is 9 comma 36. Okay. Now I want you to read this second part for me.
Okay. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750 rupees. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day.
Yeah, there is a cottage industry वो कुछ number of articles produce कर रही है. And the cost
हाँ
of
जी.
production for each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys which are produced in that day. So किसी पर्टिकुलर डे पर जो टोटल कॉस्ट है प्रोडक्शन का वो 750 आ रहा है. तो अब हमें बताना है कि कितने टॉयज जो हैं वो प्रोड्यूस हुए हैं. ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है. And here is the solution in front of you. Let the number of toys produced be x and the
Yes.
cost of production would be 55 minus x. तो y मान सकते हो आप, पर वो 55 minus x given है. And the total cost of production is given to you 750. तो मैंने n1 n2 माना है दोनों को. n1 into n2 दिया हुआ है 750. मल्टीप्लाई करो, x की मल्टीप्लाई 55 से करो तो आएगा 55x. फिर x की माइनस x से करो तो आएगा माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 750. अब इसे सॉल्व करो. 55x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 750 इक्वल टू 0. मतलब इसे सीधा लिखा है तो माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 55x माइनस 750 इक्वल टू 0. I've told you कि मुझे एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट पॉजिटिव ही चाहिए, तो इस वजह से मैंने जो है बेटा ये ब्लू वाला ही पार्ट करना है, रेड वाला कोई और क्वेश्चन है. ओके.
Oh,
तो
okay.
क्वाड्रेट एक्स स्क्वायर की -1 से मतलब पूरे की इक्वेशन की -1 से कर दो. फाइनल क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 55x प्लस 750. आप देखो बच्चे ने 750 के प्राइम फैक्टर भी बना रखे हैं राइट साइड पर. Okay, now you need two numbers whose multiplication will give you 750 and addition will give you minus 55. From these prime factor combination you will make, what are the two numbers, can you guess?
30 and 25.
Minus
Negative
30 and
30,
minus
negative
25. Very right, very right. Okay, so in place of minus
Okay.
55x write down minus 30x minus 25x. From first two take x common, we are left with x bracket x minus 30. From these two take minus 25 common, we have x minus 30. पूरे में से बेटा x minus 30 कॉमन, तो फैक्टर आ गया x minus 30 and x minus 25. Either x minus 25 equal to 0 or x minus 30 equal to 0. We have x as 25 and 30. So बच्चे y was 55 minus x. So if x is 25, 55 minus 25, y would be 30. So number of toys produced on a days, if it is 25, then the cost of production is 30. If the number of toys produced on a particular day is 30, then the cost of production is of each toy is 25. Okay, so this was the
Yeah.
videography for the two examples from NCERT of quadratic equation. Thank you.